This presentation is to provide guidelines for the inspection and cleaning of the LEMO Fibre contact. The tools that are going to be used are Fibre Optic Video Inspector, Alignment Device Extraction Tool, IPA Cleaning Kit, Ferromate Disposable Cleaner, One-Click Disposable Cleaner. Using the video inspector, we can easily see the difference between a clean and dirty contact. For the male contact, using the IPA cleaning kit, remove the IPA-soaked cotton bud and clean the white contact by wiping across the end face. Since the alcohol leaves a residue, you must use the dry bud to finish the cleaning. And please use the cotton bud end once only to avoid contamination. For the mating connector, it is necessary to remove the alignment sleeve, which is a straightforward process using the extraction tool, double-ended for the removal of both sleeves. Insert the tool into the fibre contact and turn 5 to 6 times in a clockwise direction. With the connector and tool held firmly, slowly but firmly pull the tool away from the connector in a straight line to remove the alignment device. Once cleaned, insert the alignment device back into the connector. Ensure the tool and device are in alignment with the connector, gently pushing until the device clips and you will hear it click into place. Another cleaning method is by using the handy Ferromate disposable cleaner. Please remember that the alignment sleeve still has to be removed before inserting the tip. And with one click, it passes a cleaning tape over the face of the contact and twists at the same time for reliable dirt removal. Similar to the Ferromate is the one-click disposable cleaner. It's operated by pushing the tip over the end of the contact, and you will hear and feel the one click, indicating that the contact has been cleaned. I hope you have found this presentation useful. Please contact LEMO for further information.